Right, a Monday tutorial, folks. Wait to show you this, right? I'm coming to show you this, right? Right. This is the trellis we're making today for a customer that's been patiently waiting on us. Now you see, I've got the saw set up and saw set up there, right? Right. So you're going to see that. This is all this, what's the cut then. People think it's just a meeting trellis. It's as simple as that. Look, what we've got to do is, this is them here, right? We've got this here, right? You individually nail them like that, right? You set that in there like that. And the reason that there like that shows you can lift it out. Because what happens a lot of time, you put a bit of it and you couldn't get it out. This makes it easy to come out. Look. Well, 5 of these to make, right? Then you lift that out and you move it along. Now you maybe say, when we come here to the end, what we do is this. We mark it there, we get our pencil, right? Which is in my pocket. And then we just get there, mark it there, nice and neat. Right, and because we're doing 5 panels, you make 5 of them, then you do the next bit, 5 of them. Now if you look, you'll see the corrugated fasteners here, right? These boards is there, they go in between down there, and there's 3 of them there, and then you put them in top ones. And this is what they call Chelsea Trellis. And then what you do is this, these are the long members. Now, you'll see how they're shorter. They're no shorter because see the longer bit? The longer bit goes there like that, and that shows them no 2 joints the same bit. And it's as simple as that. And then you get the finished product of our lovely trellis panel, can't even see it. And look at the length we're going to with this. We're doing this here with that to make because we can't help this. I keep telling people, the glue spreads and it dries in some areas and it'll not connect, but if anybody out there can tell me otherwise, and I've spoke to master joiners, I've spoke to suppliers and everything, I cannot help if they're a small space up to there. So see the length I've went with this here, I've glued them in like that to seal it completely. But see in there, it's solid, it's glued, it's as simple as that. And anybody that says otherwise, I'm going to call them a liar, right? And this is what we're doing to make sure this is seal proof, which we don't really need to. This is a pointless exercise in all honesty. But I'll do anything to keep the customer happy. Anything to keep the customer happy. Although I don't think it's correct in doing this, but I'll do it. And there they're doing there. Where are you? Where are you? Well, there they're all sitting in the wall. Look like that. What do you think? What do you think? Cock-a-doodle-doo. She's all there, folks.